guys! Welcome back to my channel, Miss MGC. For today, we're going to discuss string functions using C language. So, if you will have this one, so let me have... Okay? So, normally, ang ginagawa natin, pagka mag-input tayo ng name, we usually use the command printf at saka scanf. So, printf para mag-display siya ng output sa screen and scanf para makapag-display tayo ng input or makapag-input tayo sa computer or sa output screen. Then, after that, ide-display niya yung value dito. So, you have here %s. Okay, and then we have here ampersand name. So, ganyan yung ginagawa natin. So, if we're going to run this one, you will have this one. Example, Maris. Okay? So, another one, ang limitation lang nito, ang limitation lang ni scanf, you can only input, it will only display one string lang. So, kung meron siyang space, automatically, hindi niya na yun kinakount. That's the limitation of having the scanf. So, ngayon, try natin gamitin yung gets at saka puts. Okay? So, we'll try to use the gets and the puts value. Okay? So, I have here the gets at saka yung puts. So, if you will run this one, so you have here, okay. So, mag-a-accept siya ng words or group of strings or two strings together. Ko-consider niya yung spaces. So, if you will look at this one, so I have here two variables. Okay, source at saka po target. So, nilagay ko empty lang characters para kahit anong letter pwede kong idagdag. Okay, kahit gaano kahaba. Okay? So, ang value ni source ay C language. Ang value ni target ay string functions. Okay, so gagawin ko, display ko po muna to. Okay, display ko muna yung value ni source at saka value ni target na string. Okay, so ito yung value ni string, ni source. Ito yung value ni string. Now, I will apply now the strcut. So, pag sinabi nating strcut, i-concatenate. Yung laman ni source, isasama ko kay target. Okay, kaya po, mag-display dito, target string after strcut. So, i-display niya na kung ano yung value ni target. So, I want you to look at this. So, ang value ni string, C language. Ang value ni target, string functions. Okay? So, ngayon, ang bagong value na ni target ay string functions, C language. So, pinagsama or kinonbine yung dalawang value ng dalawang magkaibang strings. So, yun yung purpose ni strcut or kino-concatenate. So, we'll have string 2. Okay? So, I have here 6. So, yung laman daw ni source, which is C language, up to 6 characters lang yung i-concatenate niya going kay target. So, 1, 2, kasama yung spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, meaning, ito lang po yung portion na i-append niya going kay target. So, pagka nag-run ako, so ito lang siya. String functions, ito yung laman ni target, sinama si C lang. Kasi up to 6 characters. So, we have here, ang source ay C language. Tapos, ang target ay is fun. So, ito yung laman ni target. So, ngayon, yung laman daw ni source, ikakopy ko kay target. So, I want you to see what will happen. So, I will apply strcpy na function. Yan. So, pansinin nyo, ang value ni C language, or ni source ay C language. Si target is fun. After kong gamitin yung strcopy, si target, ito na po yung value niya. Na-overwrite niya na. Hindi na is fun yung laman. C language niya na. Kinopy niya na or pinalitan niya na yung original value ni string. So, up to 6 characters. So, bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, meaning, yung laman ni source, ikakopy ko kay target, pero ito lang yung ikakopy niya. Because I added here the length. Okay? So, this one. So, yan po yung kanyang value. Okay. So, I have here variable A. So, yung variable A ko merong 20 characters or 20 length or 20 letters. So, nakalagay dyan ang value niya, or sorry, binura ko na siya just to make it empty. Okay, C lang is school. Okay, C lang is school. Yan yung nilagay ko with the exclamation point. So, meron ako ditong variable len. So, si variable len, ang value niya daw is strlen A. So, kung papansin nyo, si variable len, naka-integer po siya. Okay? So, whatever is the output of this, ilalagay niya yon kay variable len. So, dito, tinawag ko yung function strlen, kukunin ka raw yung number of character kay string or kay variable A. Ano ba yung laman ni variable A? C lang is school. So, ika-count niya lang. So, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, pagka kinount ko to, this is 15 characters including yung spaces. Okay? So, string length is 15. Okay, ito. So, I have here variable str1 at saka str2. Ang value ni str1 ay C language with a capital letter C. Okay, yung value naman ni str2 ay is school. Okay, so palitan siguro natin is fun. Okay, with exclamation point. Okay, so we will have here, so yung value ni I, i-compare niya raw si str1 kay C language. Okay, so we will compare C language, that's the value of str1. We will compare that with this one. So we will identify if this is 0, 1, or negative 1. So tanggalin ko muna tong other elements. Okay? So the answer is 0. Bakit siya 0? Because they have the same number of characters and the same cases, uppercase. Okay? Next one, we'll have here variable J. Okay, display na natin si variable J. Wherein sa variable J, ang i-compare str1 at saka str2. So, meaning it will compare C language at saka yung is fun exclamation point. Okay, so if you will look at this one, this is negative 1. So, meaning, less than daw. Less than ito kesa dito. Ma'am, paano po nangyari na less than? How come that this is less than here? Mas marami siyang letters compared dito. Now, ang una po niyang tinitingnan, as we mentioned, ang kino-compare natin is by character or by letter. Okay. So, ito, i-compare niya capital letter C and small letter I. Okay. Since for this one, so if you will apply alt, so alt 65, this is equivalent to capital letter A, while alt 97, this is equivalent to small letter A. So obviously, if we will check this one, letter C, capital letter, is smaller than the value of small letter I. So that's why if we will compare this one, this will give us negative 1 na value. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, sorry, let me remove this. Okay, so it will have negative 1. Okay, now how about this one? Let's now have the last letter, which is letter K. Okay, so we will compare str1 and C language. If you will look at this one, this is small letter C language. So again, since negative siya, this is still less than because we base it on the letters, diba? So check nyo. For the strCMP, kino-compare niya yung by character, yung initial character, kino-compare niya if the same. So obviously, they are not the same kasi isa small letter, yung isa capital letter. Okay. But what if I'm going to add this one? Okay, so let's look at this one. Ayan. So for this one, I want you to look at variable j. Let's look at variable j. So for the variable j, we have here C languages, that's the value of str1, and the value of this one is C language lang. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so if you will look at the first number, yung dito sa variable I, greater than na po. Mas malaki na ito compared with this one. Bakit siya mas malaki? Because if you will look at the letters one by one, pareho naman siya. But this one has, kung parehong-pareho, okay, pareho siya, you have to check based on the number of characters na. Okay, kagaya ito, may na-add na panibagong character. So, meaning, mas malaki na to. Okay, in terms of the number of characters. Whether small letter or capital letter siya, they are treated the same. Okay, so let's try. So, we have variable I. Okay, ko-compare natin si string 1 or str1 dito. So, we have here C lang at saka C lang. So, for this one, i-compare natin si str1 kay C language. Okay, so sinabi dito negative, meaning this one is less than this one. Obviously, it's less than kasi mas maraming letters dito sa pangalawang string. Kaya po, less than siya. Okay, for this one, they are the same. C lang at saka ito, pareho lang siya kahit magkaiba yung start of their letter. Kasi isa uppercase, yung isa lowercase. Kaya 0 yan. Okay, for this one, this is positive 32. We have here, ang value ni str1 is C language. Dito sa pangalawa, this is C lang. Okay, so meaning, mas malaki po ito compared with this one. Kaya po, positive siya. So we have here, this time we use the strchr here. So yung value ni string, na what a string for testing. So i-apply ko yung strchr na function. So sa loob ng string na to, hahanapin niya raw kung nasaan si letter I. Hahanapin niya si character I dito sa string na to. That's the purpose of this one. Now, obviously, pagka po nakita niya, i-display niya to. Character I is found at position %d p minus string plus 1. Bakit tayo nag-add ng string plus 1 here? Okay, bakit tayo nag-add ng string plus 1 here? Because if we will count the number of strings or the number of character in a given string, kung i-check natin yung positioning nila, nagsistart siya with 0. Pag binilang mo yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Pero kung i-identify mo yung position niyan, this is at index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, and so on and so forth. So, nag-add tayo ng plus 1 dito para ito po, pagka binilang niya to, this is not under string 0, but this is under string index 1. Kaya nag-add ako dito ng 1. So, this is index 1, index 2, index 3, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, ang i-display niya yung position mo together with the value or with the position of your string. Tapos dito, sasabihin niya kung saan daw nag-display yung character I. So, first occurrence of character I in %s is %s. So, yung unang %s is referring to your string. So, ito yon. And yung pangalawang %s, yun na yung value ni variable p. So, i-identify niya na kung nasaan po si position or saan niya nakita si letter I. So, let's run this one. Yan. So, ito po. So, character I is found at position 11. So, ito yon. Okay, ito yung value nun. And then, first occurrence of character I in what the string for testing is ing for testing. So, dito hahanapin niya kung nasaan si letter I. Isa-isahin niya yan. Okay, isa-isahin niyang ganyan. Okay, pag nag-stop, pag nakita niya si I, okay, stop siya dyan, tapos ito yung ika-capture niya. Okay. Okay? So, yun yung purpose nitong output na to. This one, hahanapin naman natin is the last occurrence of the character. So, gusto nating hanapin yung last value of letter I from this one. Okay? So, meaning, ang variable or a function na gagamitin natin is strrchr. Okay, we will now get the reverse of this. Okay, so we'll have here, pareho pa rin. So, it will display, character I is found at position 26. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So, 26 siya. And then, saan niya, ano lang yung kinapture niya? From here, dun lang siya magsa-start mag-capture ng string. Okay, ito lang yung kinapture niya. The last one, ing. So, kung kanina, ang hinahanap natin or ang chine-check natin is more on the character present in a given string, dito naman, string naman ang hahanapin natin. If this string exists, kung nag-i-exist siya dito sa given string natin. Okay? So, we have here, okay, this is a test string for testing. This is the value of your string. So, kukunin natin yung location niya or yung position ng pointer. So, we'll get the string test. So, pagka daw po, P, ibig sabihin, pagka this is true, halimbawa, if this condition is true, or meaning nakita niya or nag-i-exist po itong string na to dito sa given string, ito yung gagawin niya. String found, sasabihin niya string found, tapos sasabihin niya yung last occurrence ng string na yon. Sasabihin niya kung saan niya nakita yon. Okay? Pero kung hindi niya yun nakita, itong given string na to, hindi niya nakita dito sa string na hinahanap, itong hinahanap nating string is not present with the given string, sasabihin niya string not found. Okay, so we'll try to run this one. Okay, so we have here string found, last occurrence of string test in this one is test string for testing. Okay? So, this should be, kasi since ang ginamit natin is str, so this should be first occurrence to dapat. Okay, first occurrence of this one. Okay, what if hindi niya nakita? Boss, sinearch ko, O will have few. Hindi niya makikita tong given string, itong string na to from this to one. So, dapat ang i-display niya ito. Okay, we have string not found. So, kung meron kang, bawa ang value ng string mo is hello world. Okay? So, the first one, yung value ni P1 mo is hello world. Nag-duplicate ako dito, yung laman ni P1, dinuplicate ko kay P2. So, kung mapapansin nyo, naging pareho na siya. Okay, dinuduplicate niya lang. Okay, iba siya sa string copy kasi sa string copy or strcpy, in-overwrite niya. Okay? Or dun sa concatenate, pinagsasama niya. Ito, dinodoble niya lang whatever is the value. Kung papalitan ko to, obviously, papalitan niya rin dun sa kabilang string. Pag sinabi nating strlwr at saka strupr, ito po, i-convert niya lang yung given string into lowercase. Ito, i-convert niya lang into uppercase. So, ang given string ko is hello world na naka-ganito. So, ganito na po yung magiging output niya. Okay, into lowercase and the uppercase. Okay, next one, we have here the reverse. So, kukunin niya lang yung reverse ng given string mo. Okay, so for example, the given string is hello world. So, ibibigay ko yung original value. And then, ngayon, i-apply ko yung reverse. So, let's apply the reverse of this. So, ang reverse ng hello world is this one. Next one, we'll have the str set. So, pag sinabi nating str set, pwede kang mag-set ng or pwede mong baguhin yung specific string into a given symbol. Okay? So, halimbawa ito, meron kang string na hello world. Then, gusto mo siyang palitan ng symbol na ganito, you will apply the str set. Okay, so this is the original word or string. So, kinonvert natin siya into a specific character. So, meaning, ito po, pwede nyo siyang gamitin with the use of password. Diba, gusto mo mag-set ng password in a given string, you can use this condition or you can use this command. Okay, next one. Okay, so we have the strn set. Ganun pa rin. We can change also the character of a given string. Pero pwede mong iset kung ilang characters lang yung isiset mo. Okay? So again, using the strn set, pwede mong palitan yung character of a given string. I will have the pound sign. Tapos gusto mo, 5 characters lang. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So meaning, ito lang po yung hashtag symbol. Okay, so ayan. Okay? So, siya lang po yung nakaset. So, that is the strn set na function. Okay, next one, we have here the strtalk. Okay, we have here the strtalk or shortcut for token. So, it tokenizes the given string using a delimiter. So, dito, in my example, meron akong string na I, love, C, space, language, programming, exclamation point. So, gagamit ako dito ng delimiter. Ang ginamit kong delimiter is comma. Okay? So, meaning, for this one, sasabihin niya lang kung ano yung given string mo. So, sasabihin niya yung given string. And then, automatically, i-apply niya po yung strtalk. So, yung given string, pagka daw po may nakita siya na comma, i-apply niya yung strtalk. Habang ang value ng P mo ay not equal sa null. Ibig sabihin, hanggat meron siyang nakikita na comma, i-chunk niya yon or i-apply niya yung strtalk. Okay? So, ano gagawin niya? I-display niya lang po yung bawat string. Tapos, isi-separate niya lang to by comma. Okay, so let's look at this one. Okay, so this is the given string. I, love, C, language, Okay, so pagka po in-apply ko to or in-split ko into tokens, ito na siya. I, kasi may nakita siyang comma. Si-separate niya ulit love, tapos may nakita ulit siyang comma. Separate niya yung C, tapos may nakita ulit siyang comma. So, sineparate niya yung language. So, dito sa part na to, wala na siyang nakitang comma or delimiter, kaya kinonsider na niya na yon as one string. Okay, kung mag-add ako dito, for example, I add here 1, okay, that's the time na isi-separate niya ulit yon. Ayan. So, pansinin nyo, okay, sineparate po niya. Okay, so every time may makikita siyang ganong symbol. So, depende po sa sinet yung symbol. Bawa, sinet nyo, colon. Okay. So, dun siya sa colon magbe-base. Okay, ayan. So, hahanapin niya yung colon na symbol. Dun yung partition niya or hanggang dun yung division. Thank you for watching my channel. So, I hope you've learned a lot. So, please click like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!